The pain is gone. I guess it was gas. I said, when you took the anesthesia, what happened? He said, I burped, I belched, I released gas in every direction that I could. I had to stay home a couple of times. Sometimes the gas coming out embarrassed me, and I was all by myself. But that's that old gas that was sitting in the system that started to ferment. And you all know what I'm talking about. You have that gas come out, and you look around, try to pretend like it wasn't you. That's how long it's been in there, and that's a sign of how much fermentation and spoiling was going on in your body. So he was just tickled to death. He said it was gas. He spent thousands of dollars, and dozens of hours being examined, poked, prodded at, and it was nothing but gas. So all our gas sufferers, we understand. For some of you who don't suffer with it, you'll begin to understand and appreciate the importance of anesthesia, if for nothing else but to relieve the gas